Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Well, affiliate marketing might just be the answer to that. It's a way of earning income by promoting other companies' products. Sounds simple, right? Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, pick a product you like, and share it online. When someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company. So, ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Let's get started. First things first, you need to join an affiliate program. This is a process that can be as simple as signing up on a website, but there's a little more to it if you want to maximize your success. Many networks offer affiliate programs, with popular ones being Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. When choosing an affiliate program, it's crucial to consider your interests and expertise. If you're passionate about books, for instance, Amazon Associates might be a good fit. But if you're well-versed in digital marketing, ClickBank could be more up your alley. Equally important is the potential commission. Some programs offer higher rates than others, so it's worth comparing to ensure you're getting the best deal. Remember, the key is to find a program that aligns with your niche and has products you can genuinely endorse. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you're ready for the next step, promoting products. Now that you're part of an affiliate program, it's time to start promoting products. Promoting products effectively is a craft that requires a blend of strategies. One of these strategies is creating engaging content. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or podcasts, your content should be compelling enough to capture the interest of your audience and persuade them to click on your affiliate links. Another effective strategy is utilizing search engine optimization techniques. By strategically incorporating relevant keywords into your content, you can increase its visibility on search engines, attracting more potential customers to your affiliate links. Don't forget the power of social media platforms. They can serve as excellent channels to reach a wider audience. You can share your content, interact with your followers, and subtly promote your affiliate products, all while building trust and credibility. But remember, promoting products is not just about casting a wide net. It's about targeting the right audience. Understand who your potential customers are, what they need, and how the products you're promoting can solve their problems. And most importantly, always provide genuine recommendations. Your audience values your opinion, so be honest and recommend products that you truly believe in. This will not only help you earn their trust, but also increase the likelihood of them making a purchase. And there you have it. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and watch as the commissions roll in. In the world of affiliate marketing, trust and transparency are key. The audience you've worked so hard to build will only click through and make purchases if they trust you and your recommendations. To build this trust, it's important to be transparent about your affiliations. Let your audience know that you're an affiliate marketer and that your posts contain affiliate links. This not only complies with legal requirements, but it also builds trust with your audience. Another way to build trust is by only recommending products you've personally used and believe in. Your audience values your opinion, and they're more likely to buy a product if you've had a positive experience with it. Be honest in your reviews, highlight both the pros and the cons, and always aim to provide value to your audience. Remember, your credibility is on the line, so it's essential to maintain high standards of honesty and integrity. Lastly, be responsive and engage with your audience. Respond to comments and queries, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for their support. A loyal audience is more likely to support your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate links. So take the time to nurture your relationship with your audience and build a community around your content. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, persistence, and a genuine desire to provide value to your audience. But with time and effort, it can turn into a profitable venture that allows you to earn money while doing what you love. And that wraps up our guide to affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Happy affiliate marketing!